Is that your present, Alice?
Good girl. Open your present.
Oh, you're doing a good job.
Take the paper off. Take the paper off. Good girl. There you go.
Good job.
Okay, good girl. And then open the box. Get the present out.
Rip, tear, and unravel.
Can you get it?
Wow. You see what's in it yet?
Want some help? Want some help open it? Okay, you'll do it yourself. She did it. Where is it? What is it? It's there.
What's in the paper?
In the paper. She did it all by herself. Look. Look. What is that? Is it a toy?
What you got?
Come show Daddy.
Alice, let me
Show
see.
Daddy.
Wasn't that Samson's favorite toy? No way you got it. No.
Alice, what you got?
Go show Daddy. It's got a cardboard thing on it. Wait. I'm not gonna get it.
Dad, did you actually put beads in this?
Wait. I get it. I get a cutter off.
Yeah.
No, go this way. Show Daddy.
Oh, what you got, Alice?
Come here. Show Daddy.
I think she'd rather play with it than show me.
Look,
What you got?
what Santa Claus brought.
Wow. The infamous squeaker.
She's so excited.
Well, that'll keep her occupied for a little while.
So she tears into it. Alright, who's playing Santa Claus?